The notion of tightness and looseness refers to the strength of social norms for regulating behavior. Gelfand and her colleagues argue that in previous research, this cultural dimension was ignored, and it is key for management research. Social norms in loose cultures allow more latitude for individual behavior. Therefore, norm violations are subject to less social sanctioning than in tight cultures. In loose cultures, there are few rules, norms, and standards, and people freely question rules and have a "what difference does it make" attitude. On the other hand, in tight cultures, there is a prescriptive approach to how people should behave. When negotiating, be aware of these differences and pay attention to protocol when negotiating in a tight culture.